What's next for Surrey? Surrey's changing fast. Prices are shifting, cranes are rising, and smart investors are already making moves. Ready to find out what's really happening?
It's sunny. It's sunny in Van.
Is foreign money helping or hurting BC's housing market? More importantly, who is it really built for? These questions are heating up as public support for restrictions clashes with developer pressure to reopen doors to outside investors. A March 2025 poll by research company found 77% of British Columbians want to raise the foreign buyer tax from 15% to 20%, with strong support to expand it beyond Metro Vancouver. Three quarters also back the federal 2-year foreign buyer ban. These measures, along with the speculation and vacancy tax, remain popular tools to cool speculation and control prices. But developers argue it's time to move on. Voices like Bob Rennie call the restrictions racially charged and bad for business. Others say demand side policies haven't curbed rising prices and are more symbolic than effective. However, researchers like Andy Yan, David Lay, and Joshua Gordon push back. Their studies show wide support for restrictions across all communities and link foreign capital to a market where luxury thrived while affordability lagged. Developers chase profits, leaving local needs behind. Do we prioritize community or global capital? Are prices softening, or is this just the calm before the spring market storm? Let's take a closer look. Starting with overall property values, Surrey has seen a 3.9% dip in property prices compared to last year, bringing the current figure to $1,041,700. In North Surrey, the drop is more pronounced, with a 5.7% decline over the same period, down to $733,700. Cloverdale has held up better, with just a 1.5% decrease, putting prices at $1,050,900. Meanwhile, Langley has remained the most stable, with only a 0.5% decline, priced at $1,040,600. When we break it down by detached homes, there's some strength showing through. Surrey homes dipped slightly by 0.9% to $1,536,900, but North Surrey actually saw a modest 0.4% gain, rising to $1,506,400. Cloverdale came in with a 0.6% increase, pushing prices to $1,525,400, and Langley led the charge with a 0.7% bump, landing at $1,635,200. The apartment market, however, tells a different story. In Surrey, prices fell 3.7% to $552,600, while North Surrey dropped 4.8% to $479,100. Cloverdale apartments decreased by 3.6% to $592,700, and Langley saw a smaller drop of 1.4%, with prices now at $611,900. These numbers show that the condo market is feeling more pressure than detached homes. Townhouses continue to show mixed signals. In Surrey, prices are down 1.6%, priced at $843,600. North Surrey saw the same 4.8% drop as its apartment market, now at $752,400. Cloverdale townhomes fell by 3.1% to $842,100, while Langley stands out again with a slight 0.4% increase, reaching $865,100. While many areas in Surrey, North Surrey, Cloverdale, and Langley are seeing price dips across most property types, detached homes are holding their ground or even seeing gains in some pockets. Apartments continue to face downward pressure while townhomes are caught somewhere in between. Are we seeing the market bottom out or just pausing before the next upswing? The next few months will be critical. Surrey's skies bring a familiar West Coast blend, sun peeking through clouds with a gentle touch of rain. It's cozy, a little unpredictable, and the perfect backdrop for dreaming about a home that offers both comfort and connection. If you've been craving a space that brings the indoors out, the Park Landmark might be exactly what you're looking for. Located at 1385 364 Avenue in South Newton. The Park Landmark is a newly completed collection of 39 upscale townhomes and condos by Darshan Company and Lion Estate Construction. Finished in April 2024, homes range from 1,208 to 1,555 square feet, starting at $799,000. What sets this community apart? It borders protected green space, blending privacy, luxury, and nature. Some homes feature rooftop patios with built in BBQ kitchens, ideal for summer nights, while select units open directly onto lush green space. Inside, it's all about the high end details. Fisher and Paykel black stainless appliances, waterfall quartz islands, Upper Canada forestry cabinetry, matte black fixtures, LED lighting, and wood floors. Extras like motion sensor, stair lights, rainfall showers, EV ready wiring, and combi heating and AC systems elevate the living experience. Could the park landmark be your next move? Ever wonder what a smart real estate move really looks like and how it could shape your financial future? Let's walk through a scenario that shows the true power of long term investing. Imagine purchasing a property for $579,000 with a down payment of $43,425. You take on a $535,575 mortgage, leading to a monthly mortgage payment of $2,614. If you rent the unit, you could bring in $2,292 per month, resulting in a monthly loss of $491. That's a minus 1.13% yearly return on your down payment. At first glance, not exciting, but here's where the long term picture kicks in. After 10 years, you built up $111,038 in equity, even before appreciation is factored in. Now, if the property grows in value to $1,837,195, your profit from that sale alone could reach $1,258,195. Add that to your equity and rental gains, and you're looking at a total 10-year return of $1,375,883, an incredible 3,068% ROI on your original investment. Want to run the conservative forecast? Even with half the growth, you're still looking at a property worth $1,048,699 and a 10-year profit of $469,699. Is this the kind of property you could see yourself investing in? What if your home could automatically adjust temperature, lighting, and comfort before you even walked through the door? That's exactly what the SwitchBot Hub 2 2nd Gen is designed to do. This compact device acts as a Wi Fi enabled thermometer, hygrometer, light sensor, and IR remote hub, all controlled from your phone, smartwatch, or voice assistant. With Swiss made sensors delivering accurate data and a crisp LED display, you can monitor your environment in real time, even from across the city. It learns your infrared remotes, giving you control over your TV, AC, and more with a tap, a voice command, or through geofence automations that adjust settings based on your location. The Hub 2 integrates seamlessly with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple Home via Matter support, making it one of the most future proof smart gadgets available today. You can even connect it to other SwitchBot products for full scene automation. Think blinds adjusting to sunlight, or the AC kicking on when humidity rises. Two physical smart buttons make it super user friendly for kids and seniors, and its plug and play design means you're up and running in minutes. Whether you're a homeowner upgrading your lifestyle or an investor adding high tech appeal to a listing, this smart hub brings real value. If one smart button ran into your room, what would it do first? Did you know your hands could help shape Surrey's green future? This spring, the Relief Tree Planting Program returns with a series of free community events where you can get outside, meet your neighbors, and contribute to the growth of Surrey's urban forest. Whether you're new to the area or a longtime resident, it's a great way to give back and connect with nature. There are three upcoming events, each offering something unique. On Wednesday, April 16th from 5:30 p.m. to 7 p.m., head to Cloverdale Athletic Park to help plant large shade trees. The following week, celebrate Earth Day with a planting session at Francis Park on Wednesday, April 23rd from 5 to 7:30 p.m. Then don't miss the big one, Arbor Day celebrations on Saturday, May 3rd from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. at Fraser Heights Park, featuring tree planting, live music, kid-friendly activities, and a free lunch for all planners while supplies last. No registration is needed, just drop in. Tools and training are provided. Just wear closed toe shoes and be ready to get a little muddy. Questions? Email stewardship@surrey.ca. Ready to dig in and grow something amazing in Surrey? That wraps up this edition of Sunny in Van. If you found this market update helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy house hunting. Sunny out.
Welcome to Sunny in Van, where the sun always shines. Join us on this journey to find your dream home.